It tastes too sweet.
Let's pack lunch for my picky eating first grader. Miss Ma'am, what shall I make you today?
Alfredo with shrimp.
You actually want shrimp?
Yeah.
Okay, so Cassidy's gonna have some shrimp, which is gonna give her some protein and some B12, right? Do you know what B12 is?
No.
It's a vitamin that supports your brain.
Yay!
Okay. Really, Rosie?
Because I don't want them to drop it and break it.
What's the problem? Okay, let's make some shrimp Alfredo. Let's go. Spaghetti, Alfredo sauce, and shrimps. She's gonna have some strawberry Lasco. Let's mix it. I'm gonna use this formula picture.
Oh my god, that was amazing! I know how to make it cool back. But you know what I want it to turn into.
Oh wow, this picture is so good. I'm gonna add some condensed milk. Make it extra creamy.
Wow. That was amazing.
Fata, come taste it and see if it's good.
Okay. What? Tomato?
Wait, it's not open yet.
Okay.
A little bit.
No.
You're gonna.
It's good.
It's not too sweet or too fresh.
It tastes too sweet.
So why didn't you say that?
It's so good.
If you said it's too sweet, I'm gonna add water, and then you could try it again.
Guys, it tastes like a little bitter.
Bitter.
Oh, it smells bitter. Can I try?
Any day now. Any day.
Mine is kind of like it's brown.
Here.
It still smells. Much better.
Good.
I told you.
You're always such a character. What do you want this with? Yogurt or juice?
Yogurt. I love this. This is my favorite.
Nice. For fruit and snack, she's gonna have strawberries, grapes, slice of cake, and the Pringle chips.
And for a little treat, I'm gonna have a Kinder Egg that has a toy, but I know what's inside.
made one. You made the sauce, then you add the pasta to it, okay? Stanley thermos.
Come on, please. You smell my cereal. That was awesome! Rosie! Rosie, Rosie! Rosie, Rosie! She put the yogurt in my cereal.
Spork.
I wasn't doing anything. I'm just
Melly snack box with the inserts.
Mommy, these spaghettis look like one. Chop, 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 chop. Yeah. Hola! Hey, hey! Hola!
This is our first time trying these, so instead of having her struggle to open it at school, we'll just use the snack jar. Finally, I tried opening it and it has the thing, but it's so hard to open. So I just know you're gonna struggle.
This is yummy.
Come look.
Wow.
Take them. They're so tiny. I actually had one last night. They're really good.
So yummy. Yummy.
Water. Shrimp Alfredo.
Mommy, I never saw this one before.
This is a different flavor.
What flavor is this?
Fruits and cake.
Hmm?
Strawberry Lasco. Strawberry yogurt. Mini Pringle chips. Kinder egg.
I hope I don't miss snack time.
Extra fork. Pass it, please.
And some wipes.
Yep, wet ones.
Yeah, wet ones.
Okay. And that's everything I packed for my picky eating first grader based on what she wanted. Happy Monday!